Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with another new video. Today we are solving a problem of WBJEE 2024. So the given problem is, if 1 plus x square plus x cube whole to the power 5 equal to the series, that is summation k for 0 to 15 akx to the power k, then we have to find the value of this. K for 0 to 7, this sum of minus 1 to the power k to k, and 4 options are given. MCQ, that means one option is the correct option. So first we simplify the given series. Now this part, if we put the value of k, the first value is 0, so it will be a0 x to the power 0 means 1. For k equal to 1, a1 x to the power 1 is x, then a2 x square, then a3 x cube plus a4 x4 plus, and so on. So like this we get this series. Now we have to find the value of minus 1 to the power k a to k, this sum for k equal to 0 up to 7. Now again, if we simplify this part, we get, if we put the value of k, so first value is 0, so minus 1 to the power 0, that is 1, and a0. For k equal to 1, minus 1 to the power 1 will be minus 1, and it is a2. Then if we put the values, that is for k equal to 2, we get plus 1, and here 2 is 4. Then for 3, 6, for 4, 8. So that is the multiple of 2 we will get, and the sign will be alternately plus minus like this. So minus a6 plus a8 minus a10 plus a12. Now see, we have to write up to x equal to 7. So if we put k equal to 7, so k equal to 7, if we put this value, then it will be 14. So the sum is up to a14. That is, up to this we have to write this expression. Now just observe that in this expression there is no x. There is no x related term present in this expression. Okay. So now our aim is to put or substitute suitable value of x in the given expression, so that the x will be omitted and we get this value. Now if we put that x equal to I, then what happens? And where we are putting the given series. So if we put x equal to I in the left hand side, we will get 1 plus I, then plus I square. I square means what? Minus 1, we know this. Then I cube. I cube means what? Minus I whole to the power 5. And also we put x equal to I in the right hand side part also. So a0, then plus a1 I, then a2 I square, that is again minus a2, then I cube, minus I, right? So minus a3i. Okay, we write a3i minus, not minus, it is I to the power 4. I to the power 4 means what? Only plus 1. So just a4, and so on. We are not writing the rest part. Now we coming to next substitution. So before that we just simplify this. See, the left part coming 0. So 0 equal to a0 plus a1i minus a2 minus a3i plus a4, and so on. Similarly, if we put x equal to minus I, then what happens? So if we put x equal to minus I, then the left side part will be 1 minus I, then minus I square. That means I square, that means minus 1. And minus I whole cube. So what is the value minus I whole cube? Minus I whole cube. That means minus I cube, and I cube means what? Minus I. That means plus I. So plus I whole to the power 5. Now in the right side part, a0 minus I, that is minus a1I minus I squared means plus, right? Minus I square means minus 1. So minus a2. Now minus I cube. Minus I cube is only I. So plus a3I, we write in this way. And minus I whole to the power 4 is 1 plus 1. So just a4 and so on. Now see, we simplify this part. So left side part again we are getting 0. And the right side part is a0 minus a1I minus a2 plus a3I plus a4 and so on. Now if we add these two series, this one and this one, then what we will get? See, if we add, left side part is 0 and the right side part a0, that is 2a0 plus a1I minus a1I, cut a2 minus a2, okay. So minus 2a2, a3I plus minus, so cut again plus 2a4, and in this way. So the next term will be plus 2a6, then minus 2a6, then plus 2a8, then again minus 2a10, then plus 2a12, minus 2a14, then plus 2a16, and so on, like this. So if we simplify, we will get 2 into a0 minus a2 plus a4 minus a6 plus a8 minus a10 plus a12 minus a14 plus a16 minus, and so on. Now we have to find this value, right? a0 minus a2 plus a4 up to minus a14. So we just write this part. That means both side we are dividing by 2. So we get the value a0 minus a2 plus a4 in this way minus a14. This sum is equal to 0. That means option C is the correct option. Understood everyone? Thank you.